Hi, my name is Lila Westeed, and I created a website called Save Oak Flats. Save Oak Flats is a website to raise awareness on a land swap that took place in 2014 over a Apache land reservation. So here I have my website starting with just a welcome, very short, very small welcome to my page. Here I have some contact information for this is actual contact information that I put for the Apache Stronghold. They are a nonprofit organization. They offer their information online through their own website. Um, if you want to learn more about this particular uh, cause, I figured it would be best to send people to the actual website rather than to me personally, since I'm not in charge of this. I have here some links to articles that I read that I found very useful, that I think other people would find very useful if they wanted to know more. I have here just a very brief introduction of what Oak Flats is, which is this picture of this land. And I have this set up where each of these are going to be blog posts for different blogs that I have yet to write, but I will write them. I have here my blog as well, but that's obviously the blog up there. I have here next my call to action, some of the things that people can do once they if they want to take some action, and maybe even buy some stickers which I created. And lastly, I have this get in touch part section where people can get in touch with me, I guess. I did put in my contact uh, page that a little bit of who I am, why I felt strongly about creating this website, asking them to specifically, if they want to know more about Oak Flats, to reach out to the contact information that I put on the homepage. But if they want, have any questions or concerns about my website specifically, to reach out to me um, through this form. And then lastly, I have my blog post here. I just wrote one blog, but like I said, I'm going to create some more very soon. And then here my shop. Honestly, I had a really hard time creating this shop. Sometimes I know for some reason I just couldn't get my variables down, so uh, I couldn't have like this dollar sign showing for each one, so it said I was out of stock. And thankfully, Brother Liber was able to help me with so many other things as well. But essentially, I was having a really hard time with this entire class. But here we are. I'm really glad and really proud of it.